a life. There is no life without water on the earth. Water plays an important role in our daily life. Water is the basic of life for not only humans but all living beings on the earth. Water is a compound composed of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Thank you.
ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ?
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Air pollution. Environmental pollution is a great problem in modern day life. The main sources of air pollution are home, industry and agriculture. The burning of wood, coal, cooking gas and waste products at home produce gas that pollutes the air. In the industrial belts, the air gets polluted by exhaust from engines, furnaces and industrial suits, the emission of smoke, chemical fumes and dust from factories. Thank you.
Next, soil pollution.
Animals. Many insects and small animals live in the soil, helps food grow. Fruits, vegetables and grains grow in soil. Thank you.
Next, plastic save our planet. Recycling and reusing plastics can help the tech problem. Single-use plastics like straws and bags should be avoided. Governments need to implement strict regulations on plastic production. Thank you. ಬಳಸಿ ಇಂಧನ ಇತಿಮಿತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ